So the history of this airplane, it never went into combat service or as some sort of agricultural sprayer. It went into storage for, I'm not sure, a couple of years. Standard Oil and its affiliates bought this and several others to convert into VIP transports. And it served them well up until late 50s, early 60s when Learjets came online and everybody wanted cooler, sleeker, faster, you know, I can get there faster than you can kind of attitude. So the A26s languished in the corporate world. The family bought it in September of 1990 and flew it. They hired a ferry pilot and flew it from Indiana to Washington State, where the family worked on it for a couple of years. Their intention was to put it on the air show circuit. The father died in a tragic accident a couple of years after the acquisition. The family wasn't in a position to support the airplane. They donated it to a museum. It went through several hands after that and ended up in the hands of Jimmy Leeward. Jimmy Leeward, some of your viewers might know, is a famous Mustang pilot that tragically perished in an accident in a P-51 Mustang at the Reno Air Races in 2011. Dave, the owner of this airplane, and his partner purchased it from him about 6 months before he perished. Matt Cooper is the son of the family that bought it. He took the last ride in this airplane in September of 1990, and we're hoping he's in the first return to flight ride when this thing is ready. He's a warbird pilot, he's a commercial pilot. He's been here several times. We're really excited to go forward with that. It's an exciting story.